Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to share with you some tips on how to organize your everyday essential in a hassle-free way. Firstly, take stock out of what you need on a daily basis. This could include your phone, wallet, keys, and any other of item that you frequently use. And next, designate a specific spot for each item. For example, you could hang your key on a hook by the door and keep your wallet in a designated drawer or shelf, and have a charging station for your phones. To make things even easier, consider investing in some organizer or storage solution. A small tray or basket can keep all your items together in one place, while a charging station with multiple port can keep all of your devices charges and ready to go. Another tip is to declutter regularly. Go through your items every few weeks and get rid of anything that you don't need or use anymore. This will help keep your space organized and clutter free. Finally, make it a habit to put every day back in its designated spot after use. This will help ensure that you always know where everything is, and prevent any last minute scribbling when you are trying to leave the. So guys, next up, sanitary pads, keep them in a separate pouch so that they don't get mixed up with other items. You can even label the pouch for easy identification. For stationery items like pin, staple, and stamp, pencils, marker, anything, use a basket or a desk organizer. This will keep your desk clutter free and make it easy to find what you need. Books can be kept on a bookshelf or in a designated space. If you are always on the go, consider investing in an e-reader to keep all your books in one place. Hair accessories like comb and hair ties can be kept in small container or pouch. This will make it easy to find what you need when you are getting ready in the morning. For needle and thread, keep them in a sewing kit or a small container. This will prevent them from getting lost or tangled up with other items. When it comes to medicines, keep them in a designated medicine cabinet or drawer. Make sure to label everything and check expiration date regularly. For laptops, invest in a good quality laptop bag with compartment or accessory like charger and cables. House. So there you have it, some simple tips on how to organize your everyday essential in hassle-free way by taking stock of what you need, designated specific spot for each item, investing in organizer storage solution, recreating regularly, and make it a habit to put everyday back in its place. You can streamline your daily routine and save your time and stress. So guys, thanks for turning in to my video. I appreciate all the support and feedback you have given me so far. I am always looking for new ideas and topic to cover, so I want to hear from you. Let me know in comment what you want to see in the next video. I want to make sure that I am creating content that you find valuable, informative, whether it's a tutorial, a review, or just a fun blog. I am open to suggestions, so don't be shy and let me know what you are interested. And if you have not already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on this any my future videos. I am committed to bring you the best content possible, so stay tuned for more. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. Let's keep the conversation going and creating some awesome content together. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.